Vivid Sydney 2023 runs from the 26th of May to the 17th of June. The main areas of Vivid installations are the Opera House and Circular Quay, Walsh Bay, Barangaroo, Darling Harbour, the Goods Line Walk, and Central Station. Let's review the best of Vivid Sydney 2023 and where to eat. All these wonderful artwork are free. First Light opens Vivid Sydney by celebrating and honouring the continuous protocol of the nation's first people with fireworks.
I did see from
Our connected city lighting at Circular Quay and the Rocks is a collection of 150 beams cut upwards into the night sky, and individual light sources are reflected in the mirror-like waters of Circular Quay. Biotecture is an otherworldly view into the arteries, bones, and all behind the building. This 4,000-kilogram steel recreation of the dandelion's wispy calyx is a testament to the flower's strength and beauty. Lasting artwork contracts, expands, and changes constantly in front of our own eyes. The supernova's stardust travels across space to create new life on Earth and beyond. The Mood UP by LG at Circular Quay has LED color panels that can change to suit your mood. You will receive a personalized guided map of vivid Sydney and a 360 video capturing your mood. The hive is a tribute to bees, creating a giant hive of glistening honeycombs to showcase their ingenious designs on a large scale. Inside out is a mix of florals, bird life, and the bold colors and patterns of the post-World War II era. Projected onto a mist of water from a series of jets, Monad floats as a 3D display mid-air to create a moment of stillness and self-reflection. At Bump and Sway Walsh Bay, motion sensors attached to 12 of the floating poles between piers 3 and 4 to translate water movements into a dance of light on the water. A symbol of health and vitality for those who need it, the cranes of ghosts fly high and dart in and out of the breezeway between piers at Walsh Bay. Spirograph is the latest water fountain to offer a moment of respite in our city, a splash of restorative nature. This is the Barangaroo area. Vivid House showcases an immersive 360 degrees experience through 4 awe-inspiring artworks: Amma, Australian Oceans, Infinity, and Invincible Corals. What lies beneath? A 3D mapped onto the curved rocks of Nawi Cove, Barangaroo. uses real data from ocean currents to show how our reefs are moving and changing in warming waters due to climate change. The tunnel is a trip in itself, steered by fellow Vivid Sydney spectators. These giant inflatable versions of lilies' flowers float gently in the water with light, offering a meditative kaleidoscope of color. House of Naturalia, Barangaroo House is where you can get some Vivid-themed food and drink. These bloom lights move when you approach. The elemental show celebrates the four elements: fire, air, water, and earth, combining spectacular 80-meter water shooters, flames, projection, and pyrotechnics. Swan Darling Harbour Reflections Pools is inspired by the mathematical precision of flocks of birds flying or schools of fish swimming in unison. At Spectrum of Happiness, swing movement activates the LED tubes and balls attached to each swing. There are plenty of choices for food. This year the Fire Kitchen is introduced right outside the Vivid House.
I'm going to go to the toilet there, right? I'll be at your place in about an hour.
I hope you find this video useful to plan your trip. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.